Hello and welcome to another update video about RNDR. RNDR has formed, as you might remember from previous videos, a 5-wave move to the upside. Typically, it then becomes quite likely that a pullback happens, or at least it's due now, given that we have a 5-wave move up between the November low and the November high, between the 4th of November and the 20th of November. But overall, this is part of a larger 3-wave structure, I believe. I mean, you see it. We have 3 waves up in wave A, 3 waves down in B, and then a clear 5-wave move up in C. That's also been, well, it did unfold perfectly, actually. Reached the next upside levels here. I mean, could still extend higher if it wants to. It could get to 920, it's at 916 to 927. There's a bit of a confluence there. And it's only a 3-wave pullback from the high, best I can tell. But one more low would give us 5 waves, okay? And if we get 5 waves, then I might call that the A wave. At the moment, it's a 3-wave move down, okay? So it's an A, B, C. But if we get one more low, it's a 5-wave move, and this would be more clearly short-term bearish. I mean, not overall bearish, right? But short-term bearish, because what we could do, let me just put those labels in position there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what I would be watching for, at least, right? Obviously only valid as long as we stay below the last swing high at 764. Then we could get a B wave up and a C wave down, gives me an ABC structure. And that's how this circle B, which is just a corrective pullback in possibly an overall uptrend, which is quite choppy because we're dealing with a 3-wave move. But this is how that B wave pullback should unfold, as a 3-wave move itself. Obviously, we need a little bit more evidence now. I mean, we haven't even broken below a previous swing low. We haven't even got 5 waves down. But when we have a move up technically complete, which it is after 3 waves up, it's a corrective rally. And within that corrective rally, the last wave is a C wave and it's 5 waves and it's complete, then I'm definitely watching for a pullback. Support would be between $4.17 and $5.92. And as long as we're holding above this support area, and does it need to be adjusted? No, it's fine where it is. Then I would expect a C wave rally afterwards. We will need to see where the B wave forms a low. And then we can define a target for wave C up. And then overall, I mean, what we'd like to see in that 5th wave is an all-time high with a break above 1350. It might be that this C wave isn't going to be long enough, but we have to see how it subdivides. And then that could be just another, the assumption is that the 5th wave unfolds as an ABC structure, but A, B, C, and A, okay, so larger A, B, C, is that going to be it? Or is this again just a larger A, we get a B and a C? But that's stuff for the future. It's corrective rally. It's part of a larger diagonal pattern. Any break below support, below 417, would suggest it's the white count, which is more bearish. Currently not expected because overall in the crypto sector things are going quite well, but we have to see. I mean, RNDR hasn't really done much since August, right? It's only a sideways move. This is a little bit of a breakout attempt now, but we're still below Fibonacci resistance here, which is located between 689 and 1021. But I think important is to watch now the structure, observe the structure of the pullback. If it's corrective, then it's likely an ABC structure. And then we can expect some support here between 592 and 417. That's the update about RNDR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.